Okay, the next tip is that the line command actually has a tangent arc built right into it. In fact, you'll notice the icon, has a straight line, and then you see this curved segment. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you do is you click and place a line, but when I'm going to click the second point, I'm going to click and hold. So I'm still holding down my left mouse button, and you can see that it's creating a tangent arc from that endpoint right there. So I can go ahead and let's just go maybe like there. I'll come across, hover for my little snap point, like so, and then click and hold again for that tangent arc. And you can kind of see how I was able to create a slot pretty quickly.